Y'all want to make a call on all cryptocurrency? Yeah, I want all. I think all cryptocurrency gonna go up, baby.
Yes, sir. All new investors, crypto investors, hustlers, 9 to 5 workers. Let's get this money, baby, and make that money talk. Money Talks on TV. That's the place you wanna see me investing in crypto and stocks daily. And
Call options. If you don't know what call options is, it's basically that you believe you placing the bet that that certain stock goes up in price at a certain time with a certain date. You know, got that date. You gotta remember that date, man. That date's very important, okay? Well, we're gonna go with the call options. We're gonna start with baby steps. Call options is pretty much where you think it's gonna go there. You like Apple, you think Apple gonna go up there. For example, you would place call options if you knew how Apple traded and the average and the 52-week average and what you think it was, and when you know what's the max it ever went up to, so you can be in that same genre and do your things right. But call options, baby, it's pretty much you betting, baby. You shooting dicey, you gambling. Shit, I got $20 that the Bears beat the Packers next game. You think it's gonna go that way, okay, up that way. So I did it on the can and the prog, and you can double, triple, quadruple your money within days, seconds, sometimes minutes. You know, with the stock market, with options, it's very lucrative, and you can lose a lot very fast too. So this is not for everybody. Please do your own research. Be advised. I won't stress that enough. Options trading is not for everyone. Please do your research. This is not financial advice, baby. Let's get into the can. Can, another home run hitter in the options trade. Told you boys is an options trader, player. Can up 300% on the call option, okay? You see the can, baby? It got a $12.50 call for can. And it went up 6% today. It didn't do too much, but you know it's still total up 303% right there, as you can see, baby. You know, hey. Now hold on now. Did you say 300%? 300% player? I'm on that. I'm finna make me some calls right now. I'm finna call all my old, but I'm finna call everybody. I'm finna call everybody. Get on in there. When you can pay $28 and it's over $100 and something, it's home run. Home run. Hit out the park, baby. Now, Can follows the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining industry. That's one of the reasons why I placed a call on Can, because Bitcoin was going up and some of those crypto stocks followed right behind it, lagging a little bit. So I caught Can lagging, slacking, lagging out there in the stock market, and hit them on up, baby. You got to do your research, follow the wave, follow the movement, and the momentum, baby. The trend is your friend. Told y'all, that's old school. The trend is your friend. Everybody on the Bitcoin, watching Bitcoin go on up. And you know what's going to happen right after that? The mining stocks going to go on up. As soon as Bitcoin go down, the mining stocks going to go down. You play that over and over and over again all year long, baby. On call options. Riot, Can, Mara. You got, you know, some ain't doing too well, like SOS. SOS a little rough right now. But I'm looking collect SOS up. Well, it's at the lowest, baby. You buy at the low, sell at the high. That's the name of the game. Y'all want to make a call on all cryptocurrency? Yeah, I want all. I think all cryptocurrency gonna go up, baby. Yes, I place all call options on all cryptocurrencies, baby. I can't do that. What you mean? Come on now, you no, don't me on that bull. Don't tell me I can't do that shit. Yeah, you my broker for Robin Hood. You robbing me, motherfucker? They just hung up on me.
Yes, sir. All new investors, crypto investors, hustlers, 9 to 5 workers. Let's get this money, baby, and make that money talk. Money Talks on TV. That's the place you wanna see me investing in crypto and stocks daily.